Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my wife's Avalanche. It's a 2007 model. A lot of these vehicles have that same issue where you push the heater controls so much that you'll wear it out. So this is straight out of China. It's basically stickers that we're going to be putting on. We're going to take the heater controls off, and that way we can actually stick everything correctly. But this is what it looks like. I didn't want to just stick the buttons that are wore off, but we're going to just replace them all. What we have here is normal wear and tear on these vehicles. The Avalanche is not the only one. I think some other trucks actually do have the same design and all that. All we're going to need is something to pry with all this plastic right here, and hopefully we don't break that. And then you need a 7mm for the bolt that's behind that. So let's get started with this. I've actually noticed that it's a lot easier getting to the bottom right there. And hopefully, like I said, we don't break anything. There's 3 plugs. Just pull them out. You can't really mess them up. They only go in one spot. I don't know what that last one is for. That's cool. Anyways, let's continue with this and start cleaning it up and get some stickers on there. Alright, so once I got everything cleaned up, just wiped it down so it's nice and clean. We're going to see if we can get these stickers on there without messing it up. So let's get started with the first one. I don't know if there is a way to get that to stick on there right. As in lining it up. Sometimes you just gotta hold your tongue just right. Alright, I think we got the first one on there pretty decent. Okay. Let's continue on with the other ones. Okay, once you got all the stickers put on, it's nice and neat. It looks a lot better. Like I said, I did mess up right here, but I don't feel like ripping that off and trying to fix it because I don't think it'll stick back. But other than that, it looks a lot better than what it did before. All right, so once you get everything nice and good to go and you're ready to put it back on, just go ahead and stick everything back. I think that's the right one. Oh. Like I said, you can't really mess them up. It only goes in one spot. This one goes there, there, and this is ready to go. Line it up. This back on there. Okay, that's basically it. There's nothing more to it.